Morning guys, day 2 sa Manila. Wala pa akong makeup. 10 lang kasi, hanggang 10 lang yung ano nila, yung breakfast nila. It's already 9:30. So yeah, wala munang makeup. Nagising ako, siguro mga 8:30 naman ako nagising. Naligo. Guys, ito yung breakfast ko. Fried rice na merong garlic ata yan, tapos inasa. Dito ako kasama ko si Lapucorni at saka si Pretty Mary. Hi pala kay Ryan Pocorni. Yung niya, asawa niya. Matigasin talaga yung tripod niya. Parang kay Lovely lang. Hello!
You're in the vlog.
You're in the vlog. Ang ganda ng shirt niya, YouTuber. Kasama ko si Mary. Nag-check-in talaga siya dito. I just want to say hi to Denise UC from Korea. Hi!
Tapos yung sister na natin si Michelle.
And Michelle. Hi, Michelle.
Sa Japan naman siya.
Oh, from Japan. Hi. Second batch, guys. Rice, corned beef, bangus. Hindi ako kumakain ng bangus, pero itatry ko siya. Dito kami sa LBC, guys. Ipapadeliver ko lang yung winner ng giveaway. So, dalawa sila. Para din makmuna na yung weight ng luggage. So, kailangan ko ba talaga ilagay yung full name ko? Nasend ko na yung package, guys. Sobrang lang, nasa harap lang yung LBC. Sobrang tiny. Paglabas ko, sabi ko, may LBC dun. And iba na naman yung kulay na aking bag. Blue. How are you? Grumpy. Always grumpy. Meron akong guys, nagpabook kami ng Uber. Punta kami dun sa, what mall is that? The Venice Canal Mall. Punta kami dun. Yung Uber namin 15 minutes away. So, maganda yung weather. Hindi mainit. Umuulan. Hindi naman masyado. Taligsik. Dito na kami, guys. Ganda dito. Punta sana kami ng Taytay, diba? Sabi ko sa kanya, wag na kasi sobrang busy daw. So, dito na lang kami. Buti na lang sinabi ni Pretty Mary, thank you! Na dito daw maganda. Hindi pa ako nakapunta dito eh. Marami, they have market as well there. Yeah.
These are cool actually.
I know, I wanna buy. Is it working? How about this one? Try this one.
How much?
Dito kami sa parang pa-bazaar nila, guys. Magkano yan? You're embarrassing, babe.
That's good.
Lakad-lakad lang kami dito, guys. Ang ganda dito, grabe. We got, what is that, babe? Can you show them your drink? John Lemon. Lemon and mango. Sarap yan. In fairness, napaka-refreshing. Gusto namin kumain sa Jollibee kasi, di ba first night gusto namin mag-Jollibee, hindi natuloy kasi walang delivery. So, kakain kami doon, may Jollibee doon. Lunch. Mamaya kapag gutom na ako. Gusto ko yung burger steak. My gosh. Nakamiss. Naglilinis sila kuya doon. Parang, do you wanna ride a gondola?
Maybe.
Yeah? Oh, that looks really good, babe. Let's take a picture.
They picked the picture opportunity.
Yeah.
I think we should be down on the ground level and take pictures.
Yeah?
Yeah. I mean, that's not the best thing in the picture. We'll definitely take
That
pictures
one?
of that because I think
Dito kami sa mini stop, guys. Grabe, ang lakas ng mga music dito. Bibili lang ako ng SIM card. Kasi wala akong data. SIM card. Globe yung pinili ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong maganda. Jollibee na kami guys. First time ko mag-Jollibee in 1 year. Yum. Yung in-order ko is yung favorite ko, burger steak, and then kay Dan, chicken. Meron siyang rice kaya ayaw na kainin yung rice niya. And the girl that served me as well recognized me. Hi sa nag-hi sa akin kanina. Manager niya siya ata dito kasi iba yung uniform niya. Hi, thank you. Yum. Their fries is good because it's pink. Number. Guys, nasa hotel na kami. Nagka-problema naman guys ng bongga talaga. So, hindi ko pa ito nasabi sa vlog ko, but yung kapatid ko, uuwi kasi siya. Isa-surprise sana namin yung pamilya na uuwi siya, galing siya New Zealand, diba? And yung flight sana namin, magkasabay kami bukas. So, uuwi kami ng Cebu bukas. And then, yung kapatid ko din, galing New Zealand, papuntang Cebu. Bukas din sana yung dating niya. So, kapag pinick up kami ng pamilya ko sa domestic airport, like, you know, few minutes later, pipick up ko yung kapatid ko sa international airport. And, yun, surprise, nandito si Miss. Parang ganun. Na-miss niya yung flight niya, guys. Nakakaloka. Nandun kami dun sa mall na yun. Bigla na lang siyang tumawag. Sabi niya na-miss niya yung flight niya. And parang nagbubulong siya. So, I thought she was pranking. Pero wala. Na-miss niya talaga yung flight niya. So, we spent like the last, 3 hours sorting it out kung anong gagawin. And yeah, yeah, anyway, I met Sil again kanina kasi binigay niya to guys, moron. Ano talaga siya? Authentic na moron na gawa ng mama niya. Sobrang thank you. As in, sobra. Do you wanna try it now? And, sige, try it now, babe.
Okay.
I wanna try it. I'm calling Sisi now. I'm gonna call her. My gosh. Darating pa din naman siya bukas, pero sobrang late. Like, 12 midnight. But still. And sobrang mahal ng flight. But that's alright. Like, you know, wala nang magagawa. Kasi naiwan siya ng flight from kung asan siya papuntang, hindi siya naiwan. Naiwan siya nung flight na papunta sana from Auckland to Cebu. Naiwan siya nung flight na yun kasi yung flight niya previous na delay, na sobrang delay talaga. Oh my goodness. And she's not answering my phone. She was using a number earlier. Tapos yung internet ko pa, hindi gumagana. Nakabili na ako ng SIM card. Tapos, nakaano na ako mobile data, but hindi siya gumagana. I think we need like a scissor for this, babe. Do we have a scissor here?
No.
Okay, so we'll just open it like this. Come here, sit on the bed. So this, yung mama niya talaga yung ano. Thank you so much, Sil.
Thank you,
kanina, yeah, kanina sobrang harag kami, guys. So hindi namin siya na ano nang maayos kasi nga yung kapatid ko. We were trying to sort out her flight and meron kasing flight na pwede pa sana niyang makuha like agad-agad doon. Kaya lang 15 minutes na lang aalis na yung 15 minutes na lang aalis na yung flight. And yung luggage niya, kailangan pa niya kunin sa ibang terminal. Oh my gosh. Anyway.
What is it? What's this?
This is moron. It is like a rice cake with, I think that's cheese and then chocolate. So try that. It's really good. And my sissy is calling. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. It's very good.
It's really good, right?
Yeah, it's
Are
very
you
good.
not faking this?
Oh, yeah.
Hello? Yes. Asa na ka? Ah! Babe, she's at McDonald's.
Okay.
Yummer. Wala pa may kabong i-book na namo karon na. Huy, ayaw pa late og ma-miss ha, basin ma-miss na sa na nimo. Guys, flight sorted sa wakas. Like, we've been looking sa mga tickets for, I don't know, 2 hours, 3 hours now. It's been crazy. It's 7:35. Pupunta kami sa Ayala Triangle. Anyway, guys, ito ang sarap nito, grabe. Toffee chocolate eclairs, M&S. Sobrang sarap niya. Kumain ako ng isa lang kasi. Nag-Jollibee tayo kanina, besh. Anyway, punta na kami. Yung kapatid ko, guys, uuwi siya 23 instead of sabay kami bukas. So, hindi na kami sabay, but that's okay. Kasi wala tayong magawa. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko para mapupunta ko yung buong pamilya sa airport. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Nasira na talaga yung... Sana hindi masira yung surprise. I think masisira siya. I hope not. Yeah. Siguro sasabihin ko na lang, magsha-shopping tayong lahat. Punta tayong city. Tapos, biglang sasabihin ko, mayroon kaming naiwan na luggage sa airport na kailangan natin i-pick up muna before shopping. You know? Kasi kapag sinabi ko lang na, hala, mayroon kaming naiwan na luggage sa airport, hindi sasama lahat. Sasabihin ko, shopping tayo lahat. Shopping pa more. Tapos punta sa airport kasi kukunin yung luggage, diba? Yung kapatid ko makaka-uwi ng gabi. So, yeah. It's gonna be exciting. Hindi kasi nila alam. So, you know, alam nyo yun. Anyway, punta na kami doon. Lalakadin lang namin kasi sobrang lapit lang. So, ready na naman ako. Okay na tong itsura ko. Yung ano, hair straightener na dala ko guys, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Hindi siya nagsistraight ng maayos. Yung Remington lang kasi yung dala ko, hindi yung GHD. Okay, tara na. Dito na kami guys. Festival of Rains daw. There. Pwede ni kita. There you go. Ang ganda. Hello. Oh. Ano? Kumusta naman yung lights niyo? Is this better than your lights?
It's better. It's better. Okay.
So good, babe. Guys, naka-off siya. Siguro yung on nila mamaya. Ay, that's it, babe. Watch out, babe. Let's film this.
What is
Dami
it?
tao, grabe. Can they see me?
Yeah, barely.
Sobrang dami tao.
What are we
Tapos
filming?
wala akong internet. May LTE naman guys. Tingnan niyo yung phone ko. May LTE pero wala internet. Guys, merong mga tumatayo dito. Merong mga tao dito na nag-ano. Dito sila nag-gather. Can you take clip this? Hindi namin alam kung bakit. Sasabi ni Dan, punta tayo doon. Makikiuso din tayo. Sabi ko parang, I think they're just here for the lighting. Is it working?
Yeah.
Yeah? Baka yun nga, lighting lang siguro. Kasi, yeah, look at them. They're taking picture like that. Yeah.
Like what?
See, their phone is down there. So this for the lighting, I think. Let's try and take a picture. Come here.
How that angle?
You use my phone. Magsa-start na guys. Yun. I don't know, babe. No, just kidding. I don't know.
Yeah, will.
Yeah, it's already 8:30. Sabi ni Kuya dun sa HSBC, 8:30 daw. 8:30 na. Tapos may music na, so mag-start na to. Naghahanap kami ng street food, kaya lang walang street food dito. Yung mga mga restaurant talaga. Gusto ko sana mag-barbecue. Yung isang, babe, intestine. Barbecue. Yummers. Hi! Abby! Nice to meet you! So pretty! So pretty! Hi, Diba? Filipino Modern. Ito dito sa Glorieta. Hindi ko alam. Ang bango kasi ng food nila. Sabi ko dito na tayo. Meron kaya silang yum. Gusto ko sana na street food guys. Sabi nila parang wala nang chance makakahanap tayo ng street food. Lakad-lakad kami kanina. Walang street food. Gusto ko sana yung isaw, yung like siomai, puso. Kasi meron naman sa amin, kaya lang hindi siya yung basta iba siya. Or baka na iba na ngayon. Wala ba yung lechon, babe? No, we will get lechon. What are you getting? I want seafood. I want the baked tahong. Baked scallops. Wait. Oh, sisig. Yum. Wait. have our buko. Alo. Pinalitan kasi malaki yung isa. Buko juice. Yum. That's the sisig with egg. Ito ba yung ano?
Shrimp with salt and egg.
Oh, yum. Shrimp with salt and egg. And then yun yung pinakbet. Tapos isang rice. I think I will need more rice. Yeah. Pwede pa ano, isa pang rice. Thank you. Rice is life. Ayan, yummers. Salamat. Ito na lang natira guys. Hindi ganun kadami yung serving nila, but this, sobrang sarap nito. Ito yung pinakamahal. Siguro mga $3.95 to. Sobrang sarap. Konti lang siya, pero ang sarap niya guys. It's shrimp with salted egg. Sarap niya, parang matamis na... Basta akala ko magiging maalat siya, but no, it's good. Tapos si Dan, nagustuhan niya yung pinakbit na merong bangus belly. And then sisig is good as well. Yum. Do you like it, babe? Which one is your favorite, babe?
Prawns.
The prawns, yeah? Sobrang sarap. Ganyan yung tsura niya, oh. Konti lang siya, pero masarap, guys. Worth it. We're back, guys. Ito yung last day namin sa Manila. So, bukas check out na kami.
Cupcake. Yeah, babe.
Cupcake? Yeah, I haven't eaten it yet. I'm so full, babe. Sobrang busog na ako. It's time to pack.
Oh, God.
That.
I feel sorry for you,
That.
babe.
Hindi ko siya pinapapak, hindi siya marunong mag-pack. So, I'll do it. It's fine. We have extra bag galing kay Chel. Thank you, Chel! Ito, oh. So, magagamit ko to pang hand carry. So, yung sabi ni Dan, ilagay sa hand carry lahat ng chocolates kasi mabigat siya. And then, we will do our best to fit this pillow sa luggage, guys. Lyra and Tony! And then, yung amin din. Thank you! Thank you sa nagbigay. Anyway, let's pack. Tapos na ako mag-pack, guys. So, ready na siya. Yung mga ano na lang, bits and pieces na kailangan namin gamitin. Tapos ilalagay namin sa ano. I'm wearing yung binigay sa akin ni Pretty Mary. Thank you so much. Ang ganda, oh. Pretty. Sobrang ganda niya. As in, basta, sobrang lambot niya. Tapos, basta maganda. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I-close ko na tong vlog na to. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Bye. Good night.
Good night.